In a snowstorm, here are our new garage doors. One of these panes has a crack in it. They're gonna have to replace one of these right there. You can see that's on the inside. I'll show you. There's that one. Inside pane, so they'll replace that. They said still lets quite a bit of light in. Spring and rod was too short. Looks like they brought it for an 8-foot door instead of a 9-foot door. So that's on the car door. The RV door is ready to rock. Other than the opener, I'm going to show you opening it.